Welcome to an introduction to rock wool insulation from Fujairah Rockwool Factory, the only rock wool manufacturing company in the UAE. Fujairah Rockwool Factory, widely known as FRF, was established in 1982 and is famous for its quality rock wool insulation. FRF started its service to society by producing insulation to save energy with an initial capacity of 5,000 metric tons, produced from a 3-tank furnace. FRF is strategically located at Fujairah, which is the source for quality basalt, a major raw material for producing rock wool insulation. Basalt available in Fujairah contains more aluminium, helping to produce quality fiber for rock wool insulation. Rock wool is a synonym for insulation. So let's talk about what it is, how it's made, and where it's used. Rock wool is produced by melting basalt, volcanic stones, along with limestone. Raw materials are melted using coke at a temperature of 1,400 degrees Celsius to produce lava. Lava is spun on high-speed spinners to extract fine fibers from it. The fibers are spread on a conveyor using pendulum technology to produce the evenly distributed fibers required for products like blankets or slabs. A phenolic binder is used in the process of combining fibers together to form a product. With increasing demand for insulation in the GCC, the new Fujairah Rockwool factory was built in 2012 with an annual capacity of 40,000 metric tons to produce quality insulation as per ASTM standards. Again, strategically located in the Al Hail industrial area of Fujairah. Rockwool insulation at FRF is manufactured with European technology, using a multi-spun disc system which delivers fine fibers bonded together using heat-setting resin. Even distribution of fibers is achieved by spreading them on a conveyor using the pendulum method. Fibers are crimped together to get the required compressive strength. Rock wool is widely used for thermal, acoustic and fire protection purposes. It has excellent low thermal conductivity, is non-combustible, fire-resistant and has water-repellent properties. Rock wool, with its excellent properties, is used in industrial, commercial and residential sectors, including marine and offshore projects. The FRF product range includes loose wool, blankets, slabs and pipe sections with different types of support for each product range based on its various applications. Why do we need to insulate our buildings? Insulation helps to protect the environment by conserving energy and providing comfort by maintaining the required temperatures at low cost. Effective climate control inside offices and homes helps to overcome low efficiency and lower productivity. As seen in this image recorded with an infrared camera that detects differences in temperature, warmer spots indicate places where heat, and thus money, is leaking out of the house. This image of an insulated house shows the difference in temperature around windows only. There is no leakage of cooling or heating out of the house, thus saving money on energy costs. Rock wool helps to insulate buildings to protect the internal climate, resulting in savings on energy bills. The following two images show the difference in heat transmission without insulation and with insulation. This image shows a wall without insulation, with variations of temperature resulting in the development of cracks in the wall. This image shows how an FRF rockwool insulated wall, subjected to the same range of temperature variations, helps to avoid crack development. This image shows various rockwool applications for external insulation. Similarly, rockwool application can be applied to insulate the internal walls. A house can be built with rock wool using a steel structure without the need to use bricks, cement or other normal building materials. Rock wool houses are commonly found in many parts of Europe. Here we can see various other industrial roofing applications with rock wool insulation. Rock wool insulation applied for ducting and piping. Applied rock wool insulation for oil refineries. Let's look at some information on energy saving with rock wool insulation. Global energy consumption studies show that 40% of energy is used in the building sector. In the GCC, it's 50%. The energy consumption in the housing sector can be divided as follows. 75.5% in heating and/or cooling, which shows the need for maintaining proper thermal insulation of the buildings. 11.5% in water heaters, 11.5% in household applications, 1.5% in lighting and other areas of energy consumption. Fire, another risk that can be mitigated by insulating with FRF rock wool. These images show fires where rock wool insulation is not applied in totality. Without rock wool insulation, fire can migrate more easily from one floor to another. Rock wool has passed the Euro class test and is classified as A1 for its zero contribution to flame spread and smoke propagation and non-combustibility. Thus, as a result of its fire rating properties, a rock wool fire does not migrate, providing total protection from smoke spread and thereby providing vital time to escape. So, rock wool is a lifesaver in cases of fire. The Fujairah Rock Wool Factory has a Certificate of Product Conformity from Dubai Municipality and an ISO certificate for its quality management system. FRF is progressing for certification for the Environmental Management System. So, with FRF insulation, we can have controlled climates in houses and offices, reduced energy consumption, external noise reduction with rock wool's acoustic property, save lives in cases of fire, and contribute to a green future.